Verb to be, past simple. Read Matilda's post. Last week, I was in Venice. The weather was warm and the monuments were amazing. The streets were crowded. The weather was warm and the monuments were amazing. The streets were crowded. The verb to be is in the past simple. We often use it with time expressions like yesterday, last week, month, year, 2 weeks ago, in 2021. Was and were are the forms of the past simple of the verb to be in the affirmative. We can say I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. Now look at the sentences. Gondola rides were not cheap. The water was not clean. These sentences are in the negative. To form the negative, we add not to was or were. We can say, I was not. You were not. He was not. She was not. It was not. We were not. You were not. They were not. We can also use short forms. The water wasn't clean. Gondola rides weren't cheap. Wasn't, weren't. It wasn't easy to get to Venice's historic center. Were the gondola rides cheap? Was the weather warm? The sentences are in the interrogative form. To ask a question, we use was or were plus the subject. Was I? Were you? Was he? Was she? Was it? Were we? Were you? Were they? This is how we answer those questions. Yes, it was. No, they weren't. Short answers always have 3 words. Yes plus a pronoun plus the form of the verb to be. No plus the pronoun plus the short form of the verb to be. Let's see some more examples. Were the monuments amazing? Yes, they were. Was the water clean? No, it wasn't. Be plus born. We also use the past simple of the verb to be plus the expression born to talk about dates of birth. This was Marco Polo, a famous Venetian. He was a merchant, an explorer, and a writer. He was born in 1254.